So you being actors, आपने अपने 5 साल इस फिल्म को मतलब डिवोट कर दिए कह सकते हैं. लेकिन एक्टर्स के लिए अपने 5 साल किसी एक प्रोजेक्ट को देना एक बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. बहुत बीच बीच में और भी ऑफर्स आते रहे होंगे, बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपने छोड़ के इसमें अपना पूरा टाइम दिया. तो उसके लिए मतलब कितना आपको प्रिपेयर होना पड़ा एंड मतलब इतना बड़ा डिसीजन लेने के लिए आप लोगों ने क्या सोचा था उस टाइम? मतलब इतना भरोसा आपने कैसे दिखाया इस फिल्म पर?
One is we were lucky enough to do some other films in between, post one.
Yes, right.
Yeah, so Prabhas was somebody who is standing there like this real rock solid in that sense. But for a film like Bahubali, I mean, it's now as long as you last. I mean, it's been what 7 years since I become an actor. 5 of those years were in Bahubali. I think they were the best spent 5 years of my life as a film actor. And going forward, I think this learning will actually make me what I am in the future, and many things have come out of it already, and further on this is what it is. So these 5 years will be very, very memorable, very cherished and missed. Yes.
जैसे कहा जा सकता है कि अब मतलब पूरा देश भर आपको अच्छे से जान गया है इस मूवी की बदौलत. एवरीबडी नोज यू नाउ. एंड राम्या, आप भी बताइए, आपका भी बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग कैरेक्टर था, अब आपको सब लोग जान गए हैं, तो आपको इस बारे में सोच के कैसा लगता है?
Now they call me Shivagami wherever I go, or Bahubali Shivagami. Bahubali is that's all I hear. So I'm very proud to be a part of this film, and I feel I'm lucky to have been a part of this film. That's all I can say.
तो अब आप लोगों के आगे और क्या-क्या प्रोजेक्ट्स वेट कर रहे हैं आप लोगों का?
Let's start with the 20th of April, ma'am. The big one is out there.
उसके बाद वो तो नो डाउट, वो तो लोग जाने ही वाले हैं, आप कहें ना कहें, बट पीपल वांट टू नो कि कटप्पा ने बाहुबली को क्यों मारा. So we'll get to know ये ऐसा क्यों हुआ था.
Of course, yes.
Of course, you'll get the actor. Of course, you'll know the answer. And after this film, I'm planning a very good family entertainer, and it's called Holidaying in Bhutan.
Holidaying in Bhutan.
So he's leaving for a vacation. Indefinite holiday.
Okay. तो आपका क्या है?
I have a bunch of films that I'm shooting for now, which is we'll talk about them when they're in the stage of speaking. Yeah.
And you?
Same. It's except the director Rajmouli sir and Prabhas Garu. Everybody else have been doing different other ventures, except the crew and technicians. They have also. Only these two have been stuck. I don't know how they are going to get out of Bahubali.
Right.
Yeah.
ये कैरेक्टर से बाहर आना प्रभास तो एकदम जैसे इन्होंने बताया कि एकदम रॉक बन के वहीं खड़े रहे.
Yes, that's imagine. I had 3 consecutive hits before he started working on this film, and producers were running after him with suitcases loads of money, and he just gave 3.5 years for this project, and in between he had 9 months to do some other film he could do, but he said I'll stay in this character. And for your lead actor to give that kind of commitment and that kind of dedication to the project is a huge boost to the production, to the director. And not just that, he right from the beginning he had lots and lots of confidence on the project. Right from the beginning he used to say, we are not making a regional film, we are making an international film. Right from the beginning, not after the first part is a hit, not now when everyone is talking about how big Bahubali is. Right from the beginning, I narrated him the story. He kept saying that. That's the kind of confidence he had, and that confidence translates to the whole